essentially what it is okay. Hello family, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're viewing me for the first time, hello, my name is Stephanie. If you're one of the old people that keeps coming back, hello, I love you so much, welcome back. So it has been a hot minute since I've done anything makeup related on my channel, because if you look at me, I'm not really great at makeup. Like I'm just a simple girl, like throw some foundation on, some mascara, fill in some brows a little bit, probably a little bit crooked, but it's fine. Throw some bronzer, some highlight on, get that contour thing that people are always talking about. And that's about it. But today I'm going to be doing a hack that my best friend taught me on how to keep your lipstick from smudging. And if you're somebody like me who watches these kind of videos with like famous YouTubers who are beauty bloggers, like official, like that's what they do for a living, or maybe they're makeup artists or whatever, it's very easy to become very intimidated by that. So that's why I'm making this video for that average girl who just wants her lipstick to look good and she just doesn't know how to keep it from smudging, like myself at one point in my life. This hack comes from my best friend Sarah. She taught it to me about a year ago. We were just in the women's washroom and she was reapplying her lipstick and she was lining her lips a certain way, and she's like, yeah, like this is the best thing that you can do. It like works every time. And I was like, huh, okay. Because I didn't know anything about makeup, I honestly didn't act on her tip right away, and I was like, I kept it always in the back of my mind though, and then I like finally used it and I was just like, yeah, wow, she literally saved my life. Because I will wear lipstick and then it just smudges everywhere, especially when I eat. It just like goes all over my face. So this hack worked for me. If you're anything like me who's an average girl who needs a little bit of help keeping her lipstick on, this video is for you. So let's just get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is just apply chapstick. Like I find lipstick just goes on better when you have smoother lips. Probably shouldn't be talking while doing this because it's going to smudge all over. If you are somebody like me who really enjoys adding just a little bit of highlighter onto your cupid's bow just to make it pop a little bit, then I suggest putting that on before you put on your lipstick. I already applied a little bit. The one that I use is this Marc Jacobs one. How do I do it like the beauty bloggers? It's this one. It's the Marc Jacobs one. It's Spotlight Glow Stick in 700. It's the Marc Jacobs one. It's like 50 bucks. I got it like 3 years ago. So this is where the hack comes in, is in step 2, which is applying a transparent lip liner. So there's a lot of lip liners out there where you have to buy the lipstick and the lip liner. This is just transparent. So you just line your lips with it, and then it stops things from smudging. I personally got this one at Sephora. It's the Sephora Prime Beauty Amplifier Universal Lip Liner. And so if you open it, it's just a pencil. It's obviously transparent, so if you write on yourself, like nothing comes out, which is great. So then the third step would be to simply just apply the lipstick. I'm using Rimmel London, Rimmel London 170. It's called Alarm. It's a nice red color. I got it when I graduated high school. I used it for prom, so it's very, very old. It's probably not even sold in stores anymore, but it's a bright red lipstick. Everyone loves it when I wear it, and yet it is notorious for smudging, so it pairs really, really well with the lip liner. So I will just apply that now for you and show you how it goes. Ew, getting in nice and close. I don't know if you can see it, but there is, I almost give you the finger, oh my god.
I don't know if you can see it.
So I don't know if you can see it right now or not, but my cupid's bow is a little bit shinier than the average bit, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of this. I personally just apply it with my pinky finger. Ooh, look how shiny it is. Is it gonna focus? It's not gonna focus. So I'll never be YouTube famous. Okay, so I have a little bit on my finger. I'm just gonna apply it to my cupid's bow and just kind of blend it in just to get that extra shine. Great, and I'll use a little bit on my nose just to buff that out of my nose. This isn't weird at all. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna take my liner now and just line my lips with it. La 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 la. Oh, don't hit the highlighter. La 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 la. Get those corners. Okay, and I'm gonna go over it one more time just to make sure it's like super, super lined, you know? Great, so I'm done with that, so I put that down. And now stage 3, grab your lipstick. So yeah, so this lipstick is so bright. Oh my god. I look super white with this lighting though, so that could be why. Anywho, and then you just apply the lipstick. So I like to do a little cross at the cupid's bow. Huh. Highly recommend, oh, that's so funny. Highly recommend the sound effects because they help line your lips and fill your lips better. Your lips are just more magical with the sound effects. So, this looks so funny. It's like a bow tie. I sometimes like to go over it twice just to make sure you can like really set it in, you know. How sexy. Okay, so now that I'm complete that, as you can see, it's very, very bright, which I don't necessarily love. I like a little bit more of a matte style, so what I do is take like a square of toilet paper and just like kiss the toilet paper as like any normal human would do. Cute, right? Cute. So yeah, but now as you can see, it's definitely not as shiny as it was before, so it's very, very cute. So this is the final product. It is staying on. It will stay on for the majority of the day. If anything, I just have to like reapply it once or twice through the day, so I bring the lipstick with me. But when I'm eating and stuff, it's not gonna like smudge down my face. So I'm really, really excited about that. So hopefully you can see the details in that. Don't know if I wanna get you too close though, because then you'll see how bad I apply lipstick. So this is close enough, right? So yeah, if you're somebody who is an amateur like me with makeup and you are looking to, you know, delve into the world of lipstick and you're kind of scared of how to do it, and maybe you've had experiences before where your lipstick smudges, I highly, highly, highly recommend one of these products. It's a just a universal lip liner. It works with any color. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. It absolutely saved my life. Thank you so, so much, Sarah, my best friend Sarah from Winnipeg. You absolutely saved my life with this tip. I love you so, so much. And who knows, maybe you're just gonna help all these other ladies on the internet, or men, ladies or gentlemen, whoever. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you really liked it, share it with all of your friends. And I'll see you sometime soon in the new year. I love you so much. I would touch my lips and kiss you, but I can't, so I'll just wait. Love you so much, bye! Oh. It's magic, you know.